Everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have our Yes Oh Yes bag for March. I believe this is for March. I really need to keep track of this stuff. But yes, this is Yes Oh Yes. Let's see if I went ahead and unsealed it here, but I have not looked at anything. I haven't even seen spoilers for this. Alright, so yes, this is for March 2019, and it is Women of Power. We're going to throw that down there because, yeah, they don't even put prices on them anymore, which I guess in the long run is good, so. Alright, for the first thing we have, looks like a eyeliner. Yes, it is an eyeliner. Ooh, it's black. This is black as my soul. Ooh, that's pretty. That's black. I like that. I like eyeliner. Alright, so the next thing we have is a liquid lip Lush Matte Cream. It is in the shade Butter Cake 19. Okay. Kind of want to know what this smells like now. So we're going to open it up and see if it smells like butter cake. I'm weird. But I do like the liquid lips. That's a pretty color though. No, it does not. Damn, I was hoping. Nope. But I like it. It's a pretty color. And I don't know about that applicator though. Oh, there we go. I like that. That's a nice color. The next item we have is an eyeliner. Pure. What is this? It's an eyeliner? I don't think it's an eyeliner. I could be wrong. I almost always am when it comes to is a eye crayon. So my guess could be an eyebrow pencil or a big crayon. Jesus, who uses that? Is brown. It doesn't say what the shade is. Semi-sweet eye crayon. Y'all let me know what this is for. If I got any makeup people, it's an eye crayon. Does it work like an eyeliner? Like, do you use it for your eyebrows? I'm slightly confused. You can tell I'm not a makeup person. Let's see. There's two more items after, one more item after this. This is, what are you? It is from Bella Terra Cosmetics. They're giving me some random stuff, and I really wish they would have given me a card that tells me what everything is. Would have been nice. Freaking mascara! The last thing we have is the Cheek to Cheek palette. It is in Javi and Chichi. Cha-cha. Excuse me. I think I remember actually seeing this. Oh yeah, I remember seeing just the pictures of this, but I didn't see like what it actually was. Oh, that's so soft. This is the Jaja or Javi, and here is the Cha-cha. Cha-cha. The Javi. I really need a light. And the Chachi. Chachi, Chichi, Chachi. If that works, if it doesn't fall first. It's going to fall. What are you doing? There. Look at how pretty those are. Ooh, I might actually use these. I don't actually know, are they? They're a blush palette. Okay. Either way, I think I could actually probably still use those on my eyes. I like that. Those are, ooh, and it closes with a magnet. Alrighty, so that is everything in the Yes Oh Yes box bag. We have the Cheek to Cheek palette, which I'm actually probably going to use several times for eyeshadow, because why not? They are pretty enough to be eyeshadows. Look at those. Alright, and then we got the mascara of death. We have an eyebrow crayon, or a eye crayon. We have an eyeliner, and we had the matte liquid lip. Let me know what you think in the comment section below of this bag. I might give this one more go around, just because if I get one more mascara, I'm probably gonna snap. Like, this bag does not do like most of my other subscription boxes. Well, like my Ipsy does, to where you can tell them you don't wear mascara, or you very rarely wear mascara, and you won't get mascara. So yeah, Ipsy's kind of got a one-up on them, but this is not a comparison video by any means. Let me know if you want to see that video. I can do a comparison video as well, if y'all would like me to. The next video this week will be my Ipsy versus Ipsy, to see if my profile is better than, or is on point than my off profile, my dummy profile. And let me know if you would like to see a Yes Oh Yes versus Ipsy. I love doing those kind of boxes, a comparison of the two, to see what different things are in each box and which one happens to be the better box or bag or whatever. So yeah, let me know what you think of this video in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.